Hey, so in the episode of Tone's Garage, today we're still working in continuation of restoring my son's 67 Mustang. We, of all places, a weird place, he got a rusted out hole up here in the inner fender well area by the firewall. Wouldn't expect to see it rusted out there. But anyway, being that it's out of sight and, not really a big deal, we're gonna patch that with fiberglass. Gonna remove the rust, put some metal prep and then fiberglass and then pour 15 over it. And he did have a little bit of rust on the lip on the driver's side cowl. We'll fiberglass that as well. Luckily his floors are not rusted out. But that's the worst of his rust issues right there, thankfully. So just posting our progress on this. Have a good weekend. Bye.